We often wonder, what are the top 5 pain points of hot chemical paint strippers? Here they are. Number 1, the upfront capital investment. Setting up a hot stripping tank requires an initial investment in equipment and infrastructure. The good news are, these costs are often quickly recovered through higher productivity, reduced labor, and constant stripping performance. Many operations will have a return on investment of only 4 to 12 months. The second pain point is the fumes that require ventilation. Hot paint stripping tanks will generate fumes. A good ventilation system is a must. The solution: a well-designed ventilation system that ensures compliance while improving overall air quality. Pain point number 3, sludge buildup and bath maintenance. As coatings break down, paint particles and sludge accumulate in the tank, gradually reducing efficiency over time. What is the best practice? Routine maintenance and scheduled tank cleanouts that keep efficiency high and extend the usable life of the solution. The fourth pain point is the chemical safety and the operator exposure. Hot chemical strippers require careful handling, especially due to splash risks and chemical burns because the solution is hot. The fix: proper operator training, PPEs, and clear procedures. The fifth pain point is stripping tough coatings like the epoxy primers. Some high-performance coatings, especially epoxy primers, can be challenging to strip even in hot paint strippers. What works best in this situation is to keep a clean and efficient chemistry that improves the stripping performance. In this case, with a tough coating, a quick blast can help you achieve full bare metal results. Bottom line, yes, there are some pain points to hot paint strippers, but they can effectively be reduced and you can benefit from all the advantages of such a technology.